Hello everyone, today I showed you about products line of BMW. Let's see the 1 Series, F70, production line at the factory in Leipzig. BMW Group 1 Series is currently in production at its assembly plant in Leipzig at a rate of up to 500 inches cars per day. The BMW 1 Series is codenamed F70 and is built on the UKL platform used in front-wheel drive cars from BMW and MINI brands. The 1 Series is a major change for BMW as it is the first generation to discontinue the abolition of the I for the petrol engine models, and the abolition I will be reserved only for electric car names. Although in the last few years BMW has introduced a new model of cars with extreme design, this new 1 Series has been simple and refined, characterized by a smooth line with small twin headlights and connected traditional twin kidney-style front screens, slightly lighter than the previous ones. The rear is also very different from the original, using a new taillight, which is close in size and shape to the current X2. The new 1 Series model is slightly larger than the previous model with a length of 4,361 mm. Or longer than the previous one's 42 mm. It has a width of 1,800 mm. And 1,459 mm high, which is 25 mm higher than previous model. But overall, still a close proportion with a longer bonnet. The interior of the cabin has been upgraded to a modern comparison to current BMW cars with a 10.25-inch digital meter panel and a 10.7-inch entertainment display, both of which are mounted on a single curved panel and supports connectivity between Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. BMW also cut off various buttons from the front and center console for a more clean and organized look. The new 1 Series will be equipped with a leather-free cabin interior, a head-up display, a panoramic glass roof, and a Harman Kardon sound system. It also features a wireless smartphone charging dock at the center console, dual-zone automatic air conditioning system, and ambient lighting. The rear cushions can be folded in a 60 to 40 or 40 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds way, giving up to 380 liters of luggage space, and when folded down, it increases to 1,200 liters. BMW 1 Series will start being sold in Europe this October. Thai market has to keep an eye on whether it will be brought back to sale. Crossing auto evolution.